guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this drone. So it says it's rated for 14 and older, it does 3D flips and lightning mode. Let's get unboxing and then we're going to demonstrate the drone for you guys and see how well it compares to some of the other ones that we've reviewed. We can go over some features real quick for you guys that you might have missed. So it's got one-touch landing and takeoff, lightning mode, altitude hold, 360 rotation, headless mode, and 3D flips. And of course, there's other stuff. And for more, you can check out your manual, guys. So let's see. It says, attention. We recommend to fly outdoors no more than 98 feet to prevent losing your drone. Do not fly on a windy day. All right, guys. So this is it. It's actually pretty thin and sleek. I like that. You know, I like stuff that's small and compact. On the top, you have your power button. On the bottom here, you twist this little lever, and that gives you access to your battery bay for placing your battery inside there. So far, very simple. They give you a charging cable. Actually, it looks like you get 2 charging cables. You get extra blades as well as extra screws. So you got 2 charging cables. Looks like they provide you with 2 batteries. So the batteries don't look like they're the biggest batteries in the world, but you do get 2 of them. So this is the battery, fairly small. It is 3.7 volts, 500 mAh. So fairly small batteries, but you do get 2 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the camera here and we're going to charge one a while so that way it's ready to go. Alright guys, for charging, you just plug in the USB into any USB port and it lights up red and it will turn green when it's done charging. So this is the remote. It's actually a pretty cool looking remote. I like that a lot. So you have your different speed setting on the left. You have 360, either 360 rotations or maybe flips. You got your normal joysticks, which actually have they're very responsive. You have your different modes. Again, check out your manual for more information. Looks like it does take batteries. I don't see, okay, yes, they do provide you with the screwdriver needed to open the battery compartment. They do not provide you with remote batteries. So we'll check this out then and see what batteries you guys need. So guys, you need 3 AAA batteries for the remote. Alright guys, so we got the drone out here. Let's go flying. It is a semi-windy day, so if you're not familiar with flying on windy days, don't fly it. So guys, it's got pretty good auto hover. You know, the wind is pulling it, so that's why you kind of see it being pulled a little bit, but you know, not bad auto hover. As you guys can see right now, we're not even touching it. So it's trying to maintain, the wind kind of pushes it back and forth. We can bring it a little closer here. And so what you do is you kind of level it off and you just kind of let it go. So as you can see, it's kind of being pulled that way. The wind's probably more towards that way, but yeah guys, it's actually a lot of fun. I do like this one a lot. You have 3 different modes. This is obviously the fastest mode. You can press this and this is the slowest mode, so I'm going the whole way left and right, as you guys can see, and it's barely going. That's beginner. Then you have medium. This is medium. And then you got fast, which obviously allows you for free range, as you can see here. So it's blinking, that means the battery's getting dead. So overall, we're done flying. Overall guys, this gets a Scott pass. It's a lot of fun. It's a good little drone.